Computer?
Yes, Parker. Did you take a bath?
Yes, I did. Could we play the lottery?
Lottery? I am in.
Technically, yes, but there are some challenges.
I heard it is a really big jackpot.
I heard it too.
Like $1 million.
$1 billion.
1 billion. 1 billion.
Dang.
After taxes and everything, you only get about 37.5% of the total, provided there are no other winners.
Still a big payday. Ginormous.
I could live with that.
You have no money and no way to purchase the ticket.
You have money, and Merlin could fly there.
Yikes. It must be 5 miles there and back. I cannot fly that far.
I do not have any money, and Merlin can only fly about 20 feet straight down.
Computer, you are a party pooper. What about Ruby? Ruby bought her ticket yesterday.